Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. We all heard about this phrase, you are what you eat and you are what you think. But what that really means? It means the way you eat can shape your mind, and the way that you think can shape and change your eating pattern. Today I want to talk to you about inflammation. It's often called as a silent disease, especially for those over 50. But at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you some very effective way to fight inflammation, boost your mood, and overall well-being. So stay with me. But what is inflammation? Inflammation is our body's defense mechanism against toxins, infections, and injuries. In a small and controlled amount, it can help our body to heal. But when it becomes chronic, it can affect our mental and physical well-being. The study shows that inflammation is linked to depression, brain fog, and chronic fatigue, often called as a silent fire in our body, something that we don't notice always. But when it becomes chronic, it can affect our emotional resilience and happiness. Chronic inflammation can affect neurotransmitters, hormones like dopamine and serotonin, hormones that are essential for our mood regulation. But it also can elevate stress hormone like cortisol in our body. That when it's elevated for too long, it can leave us feeling emotionally reactive. But what are the signs of inflammation? Depression, brain fog, joint pain, and chronic fatigue are the signs of inflammation in our body. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon, sardine, and mackerel have been shown to reduce inflammation and repair brain cells. Omega-3s are key to supporting your cognitive function, reducing depression, and fighting inflammation. Add omega-3 fatty acid twice a week to your meal for its brain boosting support. Did you know that walnuts look like brain? That's a very fun reminder of nature that walnuts are packed with nutrients to support your brain health. Walnut, flaxseed, and chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 and antioxidants. A handful of walnuts a day can support your brain health, improve your memory, and fight inflammation. Spices like ginger, turmeric are the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that can help to boost neurogenesis and have been shown to reduce depression and fight inflammation. A quick tip, add a little bit of black pepper to curcumin to maximize its benefit as anti-inflammatory, and it can help also your joint pain. Fermented food can support your gut microbiome, which can play a crucial role in your mental health. When the gut bacteria are balanced, it can help to boost your mood and fight inflammation. Gut and brain are connected through gut-brain axis, and when the gut bacteria are balanced, it can positively affect your mood and your decision making. Add some food like kimchi, yogurt, or kefir to your daily routine to support your gut and brain. Hydration is another very simple way to support anti-inflammatory process. Herbal teas like ginger or chamomile not only can keep you hydrated, but it can also help you to reduce stress. Another very effective way that I suggest is mindfulness. Mindful eating can support your digestive system. 5 to 10 minutes of yoga or meditation can support not only your decision making and reduce joint pain, but also can help the health of your brain and body. Inflammation doesn't have to control your physical and mental health. With adding some small and intentional step every day to your daily routine, you can fight inflammation and support your body and mental health. Whether it's a small step like swapping that sugary snack with nuts, or meditating 5 or 10 minutes a day to support your brain, every step is to celebrate. Thank you very much for being today with me. And if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and like. If you have any further question about inflammation and how you can fight it, please send me a message in a box below, and I will come back to you as soon as possible. Be kind to your body. It's the only one that you have. Let's make 2025 a year of healing and growth. Until next time, Happy New Year, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.